Welcome to another Danmore video.
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created these posts using ChatGPT, Dolly, and Google Sheets, and pretty much some code. So each one of these was created through Google Sheets. So if you click on it, the caption, hashtags, all that was done using Zapier and Google Sheets. So click on one, for example. Each one of these is generated using code. This one right here, I just copy and paste it, and these two columns basically go to the Instagram post. So let me show you how it works. So the first thing we want to do is select styles. Okay, the script is running. As you can see, you can select different styles. So we could do 3D. We could do realism. Let's do angry. Hit submit. Those are your style codes. Now let's grab the prompt. There you go. That's my prompt. Now what we're going to do is paste it here. And now we're going to go here and we're going to click generate images and captions. Bam, that's it. Post done. It'll be on Instagram in less than 3 minutes. That's it. That's all you have to do. All right, the script is running. Here's the image. Click on that. All right, the image will be loading in 1 second. There you go. Here's the caption. Hashtags. Done. That's it. Post completed. That's actually a pretty cool image. And that's all you have to do. So I could give you access to the sheet. I'm going to pretty much have a page, and you just sign up for the page. It's free, and then I'll give you access to the sheet, or I'll send it to you, or you could download it from my website. And then I just went to Zapier, have everything connected. Very, very simple. All right. Let's go check the Zap. So the Zap hasn't started running yet, but eventually it will. Just give it some time and you'll see the post eventually. I'm sure it's not here yet. Yep, that's pretty much it. I also added a piece of code to where it'll decode the style code, but I don't use it that often. And all of these were posted on Instagram. So if you want to learn more, drop a comment. If you want me to make another video giving more details, and I can show you how to do it. Yeah, thank you for watching.